If you would like to see this look, stay tuned and continue to watch this channel at Kiara's Beauty. you guys, if you love this look, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned to every other video. Period. So you guys, this is the final look. Yes, this is the final look. I am feeling this look. I love it. It's something different. I was actually going for like a fall look, but when I started to do the eyes, I was like, ooh, like this color, I could wear like this. I don't know what to call it. Like, I don't know what to call it. Color that's inside of the blush binder. You see, like I used everything inside of the blush binder today. Blush, contour, setting powder. I also used eyeshadow for blush, but I used the MacBook for the black. I also used a Morphe black pencil for my waterline. I used the Morphe pencil for my lips, and I also used the Crayon case bare pencil for my lips, and I used Clean Kisses from the Crayon case, and I used a clear gloss from the hair store for my lips. Everything is mostly Crayon case, and yeah, like I used a couple Morphe items, but everything is Crayon case. Foundation was, I can't remember the name of it, Milani, I think Milani, and contour, no, foundation was Milani, concealer was MAC, and for contour, as you can see, for contour I used Crayon case in the number 17. I will link everything down in the description below on where I got it from, who it's from, and what my skin tone colors are, so you guys can go purchase if you're similar to my skin tone. I also use the Crayon case medium brown eye Promade for my eyebrows, and as you know, I use a glue stick to lay these brows down because they be bushy, you know. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you stay tuned and continue to subscribe. Tell people to subscribe to my channel so I could get this blush binder out my hands. I got a blush binder giving away, and I have a blush binder and I'm giving that away, and I will have all the rules down in the description below. Also follow my Instagram at Kiara_beauty and all of my social media. Okay, get my followers up. Okay, I love this look. I'm gonna take some pictures and I will be posting them on my Instagram, so go follow you, girl. Period. These lashes are from the Luxury Club Beauty on Instagram. I will also put her Instagram and her website in the description box. They are a 20 pack for $20, so go shop. Go shop. I don't know, for some reason I'm feeling this black lip. It's like black nude, like you call it what you want to call it, but I'm gonna call it a black nude lip. I'm feeling it. It's cute, it's different, and for some reason the lip is giving me fall, and the eyes kind of. What you guys think? Let me know if this look giving y'all fall, because y'all know it's fall time right now. So tell me what you think. So we just gonna peace out.